In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Parkwhiz promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Parkwhiz promo codes. So as you can see right here, we have some websites that we can choose from, but I recommend you to use this one, which is simplycodes.com. And right here, as you can see, we have a lot of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this one with a free parking, all I have to do is select use code right here. And this is the discount code that I can use in order to get that free parking garage source part. So all I have to do is copy this code and use it in order to get the discount and the free parking basically. Also, we can go to retrieve.com right here, which is a website that I also recommend you to use. And for example, if I want to get this 30% off discount, all I have to do is select copy code right here. And this is my discount code. And I can use that in order to get that 30% of discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.